Don't stay up too late, but I gotta let you know that you've been on my mind. It's taken a while for me to say it, hope it's fine. And I wouldn't mind if you were taking up my time. So I'll meet you at 8. Whatever you wanna do is fine by me, I swear. Put on the radio and take you anywhere. Cause I've been tired of only talking when we text. I hope it's mutual, cause I think I could get used to this. Wondering if you think you'd get used to me. Now I'm getting nervous like I used to be. Asking you to say the word and I'll be on the way. Let's discuss